Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is an update on my outdoor kitchen so far. We already start using it, but it ain't finished as yet. But I want to show you some changes that I've made in my outdoor kitchen. As you can see right here, we remove the top that we had and we insert this old grill. We insert this old grill that have the door. So I think this is a better option, that you can open the grill and you can the oven and you can take out and put in what you like. We also seal it up really well so no air cannot come through. The only place the air we want the air to come through is if we want to release some heat, and this one we got to replace it. We already use them so they're active, but today we insert this old grill right here, guys. As you see, this is the grill right here, and we insert this, which is the top. If you notice, we bring up the brick by the side and we seal it in really nice. So we're sealing it in permanent. All right, and this is our tunnel stove that we have here. This is a little table we're gonna have there. We just rest it there, we ain't finished, but that's what we're going on with. And this is our outdoor. This is basically our sink made from concrete.